Hey guys, lunchtime on Tuesday, the 25th of May. Um, it's been 2 days since my, no, I'm joking. It's since Sunday. Let me just quickly update and see where we are with the cryptos. Bitcoin. Okay, so look in my arrows. I've got this A, I've got this B forming now, and I'm waiting for the C to come up to here. And the last couple of weeks now, my videos are all saying 46,000 level. We need to break that to confirm the bullish level. Okay. If we can't, then unfortunately, there's going to be three waves correction for another low. All right. Which could be quite bigger and more dragged out. So patiently waiting to see what this is going to do at this level. So that's exactly the same thing for everything else. Ethereum is doing the same thing. I've got my up, my 5 down. I've got my A, B working now, and C up to there. Once we get to this level at 3,200 ish, or 3,500 ish, I don't know, up there, we have to see if it's going to break down again, same as Bitcoin, or carry on up as well. So everything is looking at Bitcoin at the moment, all right? Um, Litecoin, same thing. Got our low, up for A, B, C, up to there as well. XRP, I'll come to that now. SHIB, now SHIB, Shibu or SHIB, whatever. So I still think it's an A with a B, and I'm waiting for 5 waves for C. So 1, 2, 3, 4, but it hasn't made a new low. So it looked like it was going to go yesterday, but I'm not sure if that's quite a new low there or not. If it's spiked low, then great. But if it's not, then that, unfortunately, it's a very dragged out wave 4. So only once I see a new low down here, that would be confirmation of a reversal. So it kind of works out nicely with everything else because everything else is now doing a little bit of a dump. So this could do it now, or this could drag out as well. But either way, I would like to see a new low before I would expect more highs on the SHIB. Um, Doji, this this one's working out so well at the moment. Everything dumped quite hard, remember? And Doji is just going sideways. A few weeks ago, I placed my blue box there, and when everything crashed, as you can see there, it went right down, spiked right into that level, and pulled back. So it hit that box perfectly. Now I still got my A, still got my B. There's my box area, and now I'm waiting for C to finish. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and you know what? This thing could just drag out and actually eventually do another low before it turns up. But if you noticed, it's not down there at the bottom like everything else. So looking good on Doji, although it's got no use case. But yeah, so if holding Doji, looking good. Um, but I would like to see one dip here, okay? And then if I look at ADA, Cordano, just a quick look here. Yeah, this one broke right out of the channel. Okay, so out, like to come back from the channel, out of the channel and come back here. And now it's doing whatever it's doing. So I just want to see if it's going to do a low and then up. Would be good as well. But this could also be same as the other ones now. A, B, C. There's my arrow. And I'm thinking from there, actually, it's perfect with that high as well. From there, we should see probably 5 ways down again. Um, so yeah, let's see what everything else does. Dot, polka dot, same thing. Low, A, B, C. Okay, let's get to my favorite. Ripple, XRP. Okay, so ooh, I think I can. You guys have all seen these arrows now, so I can actually remove these arrows. The pink arrow, where I said from the bottom, yeah, should go up, worked out perfectly. Don't ask me how I know that because I don't. And then now it looks like it's going to form the B wave and then the C wave. Now, guys, 1.3, we need to look at this level. If we can break through this, great. If it comes down from there and passes, what's this, 106, and passes that, does that, then unfortunately it's going to be another dragged out low before we can go up. But for now, I need to see a minimum A, B, C wave up to 1.3. That's my minimum move I'm expecting in the next few days. If I just go to the 1 hour, as you can see now, everything is coming down quite hard at the moment, this last few hours. So that's confirmed that wave A is completed, looks like it. So let me just see. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if this goes like there, then we should have a 3 and then another 5. Once that 5 is done, then we should have an up move to there. Okay, so that's a structure I'm hoping to see, a typical zigzag. If this is a small way forwards, could just break this higher and then come down from there again. And there crashes my system again. Oh boy. Okay, so it could also still do that and then do the 3 down and then up. But at the moment, don't do anything. Just wait for it to maybe come down to what we got here. We've got, I'm thinking 84 cents, 83 cents to the dollar. Okay, that's 83 cents dollar. If I look at Fibonacci levels, you see that can help us out. So we've got to there, 50% down here. So 85 cents or 80 cents. So if we can get a nice little, where's my drawing tools? Nowhere to be seen. Come on. There we go. So if we can get to run them up there. Okay. Run about there. So between 80 and 85 cents. That's probably a good area to get in there. And then watch the 5 waves unfold to make that C. Where unfortunately it might tank again. Okay. Unless it breaks through it, and then it's all good to go. So still the same analysis from last week and from Friday and from Sunday. No changes. All right, so still following our plan. If you look at my picture here, I've got the green. Oh, let me just get rid of that. I still got my green arrow from earlier that I placed. So you guys have seen this as well. So can I please remove it now, because it's actually just cluttering up my charts. So A, B, C, but obviously we're hoping for this 1, 2, 3 in green, which is your nice extension to over there, 4th wave, and then another 5 wave. All right, that is what I am hoping for, and I hope it happens for all of us. Thanks, guys, and good luck. Like and share.